In Oregon, we're really proud of our World War II history. That basically the only place on the Pacific coast, except for Alaska, that saw some combat. Not really a battle, but the shelling of Fort Stevens up there near Astoria, Oregon. Was this hangar, was it built in response to Fort Stevens, or was it something that was already being put together before that happened?
So they were already, the plans to do the whole blimp program were already in place before the attack or shilling on Fort Stevens. Fort Stevens has a longer history up there before World War II, all the way back to the Confederacy, actually. Because the Columbia River is such a big inlet, that's why they built it there originally during like the fur trapping and even into the Confederacy, because if something were to come through, you can get so far into the interior, basically before anybody should know. So they weren't built in conjunction, but I'm sure there was a lot of communication between the bases during the war.